Hi there folks, Tracy here with Pleasant Run Farms Candle and Soap Company, and today I have an unboxing from BeScented. Jen with BeScented sent me the April mystery box. I ordered from her for the very first time and I'm really excited. I've been watching videos for the last couple of days about the last year of mystery boxes, and I'm really excited. So I've already opened the box. I already know what's going on inside, but I wanted to share with you guys. So inside came this letter. First, let me apologize for the shakiness of the video. I am recording one-handed, and I didn't plan to record this tonight, but I was so excited about what I received, I just had to record it. So that's why if my setup looks kind of crazy, that's because it is. Okay, so inside we got this letter. It says, we wanted to change it up with a lot of input from our customers. We're excited to roll out a basic kit for lotion bars. We assume you have some oils and some butters on hand and can use our recipe as is or as inspiration. We are also including a few of our favorite old fragrances and a few and our favorite new fragrances in the boxes. And then there's this next paragraph. It says, with summer fast approaching, we wanted to share our recipe as well as lemon eucalyptus essential oil, which is said to help keep the bugs away. Please remember that according to FDA rules, you cannot market this as a bug repellent without having it tested and approved. So I'm really excited about that. She included a recipe for lotion bars, which I will probably make with the bug repellent mixture. Okay, so let's get to unboxing. So up first is 16 ounces. Let me fix that. It is 16 ounces of mango butter. Now, I love mango butter in my body butter. I absolutely love it. I do a triple butter mixture, which is coconut, shea, and mango. Can't wait to try that in the lotion bars. And then we also have beeswax, ultra refined and bleached at 16 ounces. So that's a lot for the beeswax. I mean, I think you only need like 20% in your lotion bar recipe. Let me see, 25%. So, yeah. Oh yeah, this is good. Okay. And then we have the lotion bar containers. These are push-up containers, I think. I'll take one out of the box, the bag here. See if I can do that one-handed. Let's see. I can't. All right, well, I'll put a picture of it later. And then the last thing in the box is, let's see, what is out the way? Uh-oh. I think y'all saw my mess. All right. Is rice bran oil, the essential oil, and then Volcano by Capri Blue. Now, I know a little bit about this fragrance. So, Capri Blue is let's see if I can get that into focus. There we go. Capri Blue is actually a candle brand that's available at Anthropologie, and it's listed as a luxury brand. And Volcano is one of their top fragrances, and I know what Volcano smells like. It's very sweet, a little bit of fizz on the back of it. So let's see if I can open this. Oh, I can. Open this one-handed, and let's sniff. Oh. Oh, wow. That's nice. Oh, I really like that. Oh, wow. I really That's good. That's good. I will put these scent notes on the screen here for you guys when I edit the video. That's very good. I can see this in a soap. I can see it in a wax melt. And I think I'm going to go ahead and try this in the lotion bars. And then the rice bran oil. So funny story here. I honestly was just looking at adding rice bran oil to my soap recipes. And so I think the recipe she gave us for the lotion bars, you use this at 25%. So I'm really excited to see how to work with the rice bran oil. And then of course we have the lemon eucalyptus essential oil. I use a combination like this today. I blend it myself, so it's nice to have it already mixed. But I use it to make bug spray. And since I can't really claim it as bug spray, I say use it when you're outdoors. It might help you keep the bugs away. And I call it Bug Be Gone. I'm sure that's not the best name and that somebody else has that out there, but I know it works, and I know that I use it, and I tell people that all the time at my craft shows, that I like the fragrances and that it's a natural way to assist with your already in place bug repellent plan. There you go. All right, so that's everything that was in the, let me put these in here. That is everything that was in the BeScented April mystery box. I'm so excited. This is my first order from Jen with BeScented. I can't wait to start making product with this. I will post a video of me making the lotion bars probably in the next couple weeks. And I can't wait to give it a try. Jen, thank you. Have a good day. Bye for now, everybody.